What if your blog could make money while you sleep? Blogging is a powerful online income source when done right. I'll break down how bloggers really make money, step by step. Choose a niche with demand, problems to solve, and monetization potential. Examples include making money, health and fitness, and technology. Focus creates traffic, and traffic creates income. People pay for solutions, not just blogs. Write content that answers questions and solves problems. Use search-friendly topics like how-to and best tools for. Helpful content brings long-term traffic to your blog. Bloggers make money through affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions from each sale. Earn money when visitors view or click on ads. Sell digital products such as ebooks and guides. Offer services such as coaching or freelancing. Start with one monetization method and expand later. No traffic means no money from your blog. Best traffic sources are Google, Pinterest, and social media. Search traffic brings readers looking for answers. Blogging is not instant money. It takes time. One article can earn for years passively. Income becomes passive as your blog grows. Consistency turns blogs into real businesses. Start with high-quality content to build trust. Engage with your audience to foster loyalty. Use social media to promote your blog posts. Consider guest posting on other blogs to expand reach. Build an email list to connect with readers directly. Analyze your blog's performance to improve strategies. Stay updated with the latest blogging trends. Monetize your blog the smart way with these tips. Like the video and subscribe for more blogging tips. Comment blog for a beginner blogging roadmap. See you in the next video with more insights. Remember, consistent effort leads to blogging success. Start today and build your profitable blog.